Hello nieces, hello nephews, it's your Uncle Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do unbiased price action analysis. Hello nieces and nephew, welcome back to Uncle Charles' YouTube channel. I gave us the perfect trade idea yesterday for us to be able to be successful today. But I'm not going to sit here and brag and waste you guys' time. I'm going to get straight to the point. We got CPI tomorrow, guys. The market makers decided, hey, let's do a breakout the day before a very volatile, potentially volatile day, a very important day. CPI, data release, inflation for us, the consumers. What I'm going to tell you, CPI moves the market. When that data release, it moves. Very dangerous trading into a data release day like CPI. I tell you that. Very big risk, but hopefully you guys know what the heck you're doing, and all I can say is just be careful. As far as the price action goes, I mentioned to everybody we got to clear 537 to be bullish, and we cleared 537. Remember, we had to clear gap above 534 because below it would have been a breakdown of this rising wedge. Remember, rising wedge doesn't mean it's bearish. It is a bearish pattern, but it doesn't mean to just go puts right away. We got to use the levels and set up for entries and exits. In this case, the market cleared 537. It broke out. That's a breakout. And it looks like it's going for that pink downtrend that I had since mid-July. Okay, breakout the day before CPI. Very tricky. All I can say is price action is the shepherd. Trading with the price action is what I've been doing my whole trading career. Is what I plan to do tomorrow. Okay? As of right now, we are in breakout mode. As long as above 537, we are bullish on the SPY. It's a fib level, and it was also the breakout level for the rising wedge. All right, breakout mode stays intact above 537. Now the next fib level I have is at 542.5. If it clears, okay, it paused there. It almost came a few cents shy of testing that level today. If it clears tomorrow, we are likely going to retest this pink downtrend line at 547, close to 547. Okay, got to clear 542.5 for that to happen. All right, now if CPI come in and it causes the market to be bearish, we could get a gap down tomorrow. Pay attention to where the market gaps down tomorrow, okay, because we did retest and got very close to filling the gap here. All right, so if it gapped down and we gap back below 537, that is bearish. All right, I have support at 540, 540, 538.5, and 537. But with a gap down, those levels might not matter. The bottom line is pay attention to where it gaps below. And if it gaps below 537, keep in mind this rising wedge slopes up. If it gaps down, that's a breakdown of that trend line, that rising trend line. So below 537 tomorrow, guys, will be very bearish. Watch out for that. And if we clear 542.5 and if we clear 547, that is bullish. Above 547, a bottom is likely in. Why? Because we're clearing a down trend line. Guys, good luck tomorrow. All right? Trade it unbiasedly. Know the levels, know the setups, and trade it. React to it in real time, unbiasedly. Okay? That's the best approach to trading, especially day trading. Triple Q, he also got a breakout before CPI. This is very tricky, but I tell you this. The downtrend line I had since mid-July, the breakout level was around 458-ish. All right? As long as above 458, I am bullish on Triple Q. The next fib level I have is at 466. I have a level at 464 and then 466. If we clear 466, that is bullish follow through. 467.5, 469, 471, and 473 will all be in play. I cannot get bearish unless we break down 460 and 458, especially 458. That will put this uptrend line in play. That's all the way back down at 453. And if that breaks down, bears take control. You guys know what the market needs to do, what the charts need to show in order to be bearish. So don't be bearish unless the price action says to be bearish, because right now we are in a breakout mode and that is bullish. All right, Tesla, remember we talked about the triangle pattern. The chop range was 196 to 198. I've mentioned it needs to clear 198 and 200 to be bullish. It gave us that, and it cleared the next fib level. These are not predictions. These are just calling out the setups, and it's on us to react unbiasedly. Now, we cleared that 205 fib level. I had another level at 207. Cleared that as well. Overall, I'd be bullish as long as above 205 lowest on any pullback, because that will keep today's breakout intact. Okay, and staying above 207 would be good, and bullish follow through would be to take out today's high. Today's high was at 208.5. Take that out. 210, 212, and 214 plus will all be in play for Tesla. I'll only switch back to bearish if we break down 207 and 205. Okay, guys. NVDA also with the breakout. It gapped up and broke out. I mentioned if we clear 112, stay bullish. And if you stay bullish above 112, you should have made some good money today. Now, the next resistance is at 116.5. 116.5 clears. More upside is possible. All right. We could get up to 119, possibly all the way back up to 123. Well, to 122.5 is the gap fill. And then 124 plus would be in play as well. But in order for that to be possible, it has to clear 116.5. If we start breaking down support at 115 and 113.5, 112 would be back in play. But this green trend line slopes down, so a retest will be all the way down to 110.5-ish, all right? Now, we break down 110.5, all right? That is bearish. The gap at 109 would be in play, and below 109, we could get a waterfall much lower to the downside. All right, guys? So all I can say is use the levels and setups and react unbiasedly, trade it level to level, and if you're going for bigger moves, leave runners. This is the sheep style approach to trading. Now, as far, I love my levels, so I got to look at the dog pool levels. So you guys can see here, for 60% of activity came in at 533, all right? 60%, 2.8 billion. The market makers were busy today, all right? And then we got 1.2 billion coming in at 542. That's actually one of my levels. Amazing, all right? Triple Q, 61% is at 451.34. Then we have 24% at 462.6. Okay? Please add these levels to your chart. Label them as dark pool level. Tesla, 45% came in at 206.4, and 33% came in at 197.49. Okay? And NVDA is 116. Amazing. 90% of activity came there. Now let's take a look at the option flow. We'll filter for 100K premiums or above. Let's take a look in the shorter term, okay? 1 month out. Let's take a look 1 month out. I want to know what's happening in the short term. I'm a day trader, short-term trader. So I can look at this. If you guys have access to this, you guys will be able to change it how you want, okay? Let's see. Above the ask, I want to know. I want to know what they're doing in the short term. And in the short term, look at that. Interesting. We got a big bounce CPI tomorrow, but we have bearishness. Okay, let's take a look here. This one has a big size. Sweep is aggressive. It's not above the ask, but it's August 26th expiration date. 510 strike price. Whoa. Guys see that, right? This one, August 26th expiration date. 546 strike price is ask. About 500 in size, over 300,000 in premium. That sticks out to me. Had some calls here, but it's all short-term calls. August 16th, August 15th. This is the August 13th one. Very possible that these were day trades or short-term trades here. But these puts that I'm seeing, they're a little bit out, like about a week out. This one. This is above that. August 13th. They must have lost on this one. Here's one. August 21st. Puts. 543 strike price. It's August 14th. Someone's bearish headed in tomorrow. They put over 500K into that one. Look at that. You guys see August 15th. 553 strike price. Well, at least they're getting in the money. Okay, we do have some calls, but this call is a split, guys. It's a split, not aggressive. This one's a little more aggressive. August 20th, 544 strike price. Yeah, I'm seeing more aggressive puts in the short term, then I'm seeing aggressive calls in the short term. Let's see what triple Q shows. It's bearish as well, chat. It's bearish as well. Look at this. August 15th strike price. This is a couple of days away. 460. August 15th expiration date. Excuse me. 460 strike price. This is above the ask. They entered around 461.84. Yeah, that's pretty aggressive. Yeah, more aggressive puts, guys. More aggressive puts than aggressive calls. There's another one. August 13th. They may have lost money on that one, though. I don't really like looking at the same day ones. Those are garbage. Look out a few days out, a week out, couple weeks out. It's better. This one's for tomorrow, though. 463. This is in the money. Okay. Above the ask for puts. 463 strike price. Okay, so I'm seeing more aggressive bearishness than bullishness heading into tomorrow. I don't know if they're going to be right, chat. I'm just reporting what Cheddar Flow is showing to me. Tesla is bullish heading into tomorrow. Okay, so you guys already know, like, these individual stocks, they don't always have to follow SPY and, and triple Q in the indices and stuff, but I'm seeing more aggressive calls. 205 strike price for August 16th expiration date, 207.5. I don't know if these people are holding in, but look at, you see all these calls are all sweeps, all above the ask, August 16th strike price. So there's a lot of people very bullish. I don't know if these are hedges. I doubt it. But a lot of people bullish heading into tomorrow. What do these big money players know that we don't know? We'll see what happens. It's going to be interesting to see how it plays out. All I can say is, guys, just take notes of these. Like, hey, Tesla was bullish before CPI, and then check how it reacts. We just note these things, and we can only learn as we go, you know what I mean? 59,000 contracts in the calls, guys. Is way more aggressive calls. This is above the 107 strike price. Yeah, that's pretty in the money there. I like to see something out the money, you know what I mean, guys? I like to see some out the money stuff. We do got some puts here above the as 115 strike price, August 16 expiration date, but like I said, there's a lot more aggressive calls. This one 120 strike price right here above the ask, August 23rd. Is 117 strike price. All right. So there you go, guys. I'm showing you guys the most aggressive positions as far as options go. That the big money 100K premiums or above. Hope you guys found value, and I hope it helps you guys. It's gonna be interesting to see how this plays out because the indices were bearish, but the individual stocks were bullish. So like I said, I'm a day trader. I tend not to swing into day-to days, especially day-to days. It's too much risk. I like my sleep. But for the rest of you guys that are doing it, all I can say is I wish you guys luck. And I'm just trying to assist you guys, show you guys what I got, my charts, and what the flows are showing, the dark pool. And I just really appreciate you guys for being here. If you guys can, if you're not already, please subscribe and hit that like button. All right, hit that like button. Let's try to increase the family, Let's get some more sheeps. Let's get the community to grow. All right, I see you guys. Good luck. Peace.